Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to optimize your website and responsive and website make user friendly. Here I show you that's the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a framework any website responsive. You can use any website bootstrap to a responsive website, but you need to know code well so that you can easily more responsive your website perfectly. And bootstrap really good and perfect. And here the link how to work the bootstrap responsive, so easily you can find out. Let's go. I recommended something about the function that the bootstrap wrote and make the responsive website. Thank you so much for watching the video.